Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix SharePlay not working on iPhone, Facetime. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, firstly, update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here and check for update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. After this, go back and then force restart your iPhone. So for the force restart iPhone, so simply tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right and then open the lock screen here. And the next solution is enable SharePlay on all devices. For this, open settings, scroll down and find FaceTime here, tap on it, scroll down, tap on SharePlay and turn this option on. After this, go back and then the next solution is, guys, sign out and sign in to again into FaceTime. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on FaceTime here, tap on Apple ID, and so guys, sign out your Apple ID and sign it again. So after this, the next solution is disable and re-enable FaceTime. For this, open settings, scroll down and tap on FaceTime, scroll down, tap to turn this FaceTime option off and then turn on again. Refresh here. So verifying. So wait for the verifying. So signing in, wait for it. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your SharePlay issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.